We'll guide you through how to see your Instagram password on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you can't remember your Instagram password. This can be annoying as perhaps you just want to know it in case you need it in the future, or maybe you're trying to go and sign in on another device. So we'll guide you through how you can try seeing it on your iPhone and the different ways you can go about this. Make sure it's just full videos so you know the different ways you can go and try. So first of all, we're going to come out of Instagram like so. What you can then do is you want to go and locate the passwords app on your iPhone. So what you can do is come into utilities folder on the second page. If you can't see it, you can always drag down and go and search for passwords like so, and then open up the app. You need to complete Face ID to go and get in. And then what you can do is go and press search at the bottom. You want to go and type in Instagram like so. Then if you've got multiple accounts, make sure you tap the right one. Now I can go and tap on password there and we can then go and reveal the password and I can go and see it and then hopefully that will work. I can try testing it. If that doesn't work or you hasn't been saved there, the next thing you want to try doing is opening up a browser like Safari or Chrome. Now, there may be a chance that if you've gone and used Instagram in a Google Chrome browser or on an Android device, the password may be saved in your Google account. So to go and check this, what you need to do is come to google.com, press your Google profile picture in the top right, and you can press manage your Google account like so. Wait for this to load, and you then want to go down and find the option security and login like this. Now you need to go down and go and find the option for passwords. So you could scroll all the way down at the bottom is password manager. You can then go and tap there, press search at the top and press search again. And what you can then do is go and type in Instagram like so and tap there. You need to go and authorize this by signing in. Scroll through here if you've got multiple logins and if it's been saved. And then what you can do is you can go and see the password and press the I to the right to go and reveal it. And that's it. You can then see it there and you should then be able to go and use the password and you'll be able to log in. As a last resort, you can come back to Instagram. Press the three lines in the top right. At the top, press Account Center. Then you want to go down and press Password and Security. You can press Change Password and choose your Instagram account. At the bottom here, you can press Forgotten Your Password to go and reset it as a last resort, but hopefully we won't come to that. Leave a like if you found this useful.